into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. Now, if you go to any banks, if you go to any offices, if you go to any hospitals, you will see that everything is being run, being processed by computer. Even most of the schools, they now have this smart classes. I don't know whether we have smart classes in Northern or not. Any of the school, do we have the smart classes? Which school? JNB? JNB, okay. So JNB, they have started with these smart classes. So nowadays we can even purchase any products online through different platforms. We have Amazon, we have Flipkart, we have different kind of platforms. So we can buy products, we can buy even grocery items through the use of internet. Through mobile you can buy any product. And you can make payment digitally through internet banking, through Google Pay, through Paytm and many other platforms. But along with the benefits of internet, computers, we also have the danger of being scammed. So there are so many people who are falling prey to scams. We have seen so many people winning the lottery where they have to deposit money, but after depositing money, the person or the company who declared those winner, they just vanished into thin air. So they lost lots of money. And from the police department, they have registered a number of cases where people have been duped, they have been cheated through the use of the internet. So we would like to advise all the students, all the people who are present here today to be aware of these scams. You always have to follow the advisory issued by the police department from time to time. Now we have so many this scam. The government of Meghalaya, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Bah H.K.Thabah, they wanted to promote digitization through computers. In line with the program of the central government of India, our government wanted to promote the use of computer through the students. As a result, this year the government has selected the student of class 11 registered in the academic year 2022-23 to receive the mobile tablets with the hope that the student will make best use of these mobile tablets for your education purpose. When you receive this tablet, mind you, you have to use it for education purpose, to search information, and this tablet, they have the lesson of the syllabus class 11, 12. Do not misuse it for games or social media and all those things. So this year, the government has around 1,467 students have registered and enrolled for class 11 in West Khasi Hills district. In West Khasi Hills, we have 15 number of schools. But today, we have selected only the students of the school which are located in Nongstrand area only. For Maushinut, we have distributed yesterday, and for Lambrai Assembly constituency, we will be distributing tomorrow. So today, around 1,208 students belonging to 10 schools that I have mentioned at the beginning will be receiving the tablets. But to avoid overcrowding, we have instructed the teachers to bring only 25 number of students. So today we'll give only 25 students. After this program, I request the teachers to collect the mobile tablets from our office for the remaining number of students.